What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have a Kal-Elle Fandom monthly bag. Yay! Guys, this company got backed up with their supply chain, so unfortunately, they weren't able to get out all of the super cool bags that they had planned. Now, this was through no fault of their own. I totally understood, and instead of getting the bags that they had planned to send out, what they ended up doing in order to be able to fulfill their monthly subscriptions, they sent out previous bags. Now, I understand why they did that. At least they fulfilled their promise to get everybody a bag each month. But unfortunately, it was repeat bags that a lot of us had already gotten. But they were able to finally get the items in that they had been waiting for so long for their Toy Story bag. So I am so super excited. I cannot wait to see what this bag has in store for me. I'm really excited. Hoping that now, hopefully they can get things back up and running. I love this subscription. I don't care how long it takes them for them to get everything back up and running. I will gladly wait. I think it's 100% worth it. I get some of the coolest accessories and things ever from this company, so I 100% feel that it's going to be worth the wait. Without further ado, let's see what super cool things I got in my Toy Story bag. Okay guys, so they sent out an email to everybody to let them know that they had these Toy Story bags coming, and if anybody had an address change, to please let them know. So I saw them packaging these up. They had a really cool sped up video of them packaging all of these items up and getting them sent out to all of their customers. Well, I got 2 bags. I don't know if that means I got a Toy Story bag and another bag that they were planning on sending out, or if they accidentally sent me 2 of the same bag. If that's what they did, then I'm probably going to do a giveaway. So we're just going to have to see what happens. Let's see what's in this bag, for example. So I have my bag right here, and then I also have this bag right here. Are they the same? We're going to find out. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. I'm so excited. I love this subscription, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so here's the card. They always put a card in with their bags, and it's always a super cool card. Cool enough that I am going to include it with a super fun postcard project that I'm working on for my geeky room. I always save these. Okay, so it says on the back here all of the fun items that we're going to get. I don't want to look at that just yet, but we have an awesome, what is this called? A 4x6 art print by Megan Risk. She has an awesome imagination. This is another fun one. I love it, but I can't tell you exactly what's on it. But I do think it's very cool. It looks like, I don't know. Is that Belle with, I don't know. But there you go. I'm going to look at the card because clearly I am messing this up. So let's go ahead and see what the card says here. 4x6 art print. That's all it says by Megan Risk. It doesn't say exactly what it is, but that's okay. This is fun. So here's my bag, my little package up thing. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing is so full. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so here's a little bag of jewelry goodies. So let's go ahead and open that up and see what we got going on in here. Oh my gosh, I love this subscription. This is hands down one of the coolest accessory subscriptions out there. It really is. I love it. Ooh, this is fun. Oh, I love it when the earrings don't match. That is so fun for me. I mean, a lot of people like their stuff to be perfectly symmetrical. This subscription's probably not for you. This is cool though. So it says Andy, and they have a boot print, and it looks like they have like a tennis shoe print of it. I love it though. Oh my gosh, let me show these to you guys. Look how fun those are. I love it. I gotta think of a super cool Toy Story look that I can do to put all this stuff together. I love it. Those are super fun. Okay, so then we have, oh, I love I actually have 2 of their bracelets on that I wear literally every single day. One came from my Princess Bride bag. It says Inconceivable, which I think is just totally awesome. And then the other one is from, I think it was the Princess Bride theme, and it says Pardon My Enthusiasm. I know that it was meant differently for that bag, but for me, I'm always enthusiastic and happy, so there you go. This one says To Infinity and Beyond. Guys, I love the fact that it's multicolored. Look at how fun this is. What? I mean, what? I hope that you guys are going to see the wording on there. All I see is glare, but here's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. I mean, I really love it. Definitely doesn't match what I have on today, but you know, whatever. It is super fun and super cool. Okay. So there's that. And then we have a really fun necklace that I'm about to show you guys. Get it done. I love this. Oh, this is fun. To infinity and beyond. Guys, it has Woody on here. It has Buzz Lightyear on here. Oh my gosh. It even has a Mickey Mouse balloon, which is very interesting. So I hope that you guys are going to see this. I'm going to try to put this in a way that you guys are able to see it. At least I hope that you are. When I zoom in on this, I hope that you're seeing it. It is totally awesome. Let me try doing this too, because sometimes when I put it up against my skin, that helps things. It helps you guys see it a little bit better. So hopefully that will help and you guys can really get how cool this necklace is. I'm super excited about it. I think it's really fun. So then we always get magnets. So between this subscription and my Heroes Tower subscription, I have some of the coolest magnets like in the world. So awesome. So we have this super fun magnet. I forget what the dog's name is, but how fun is that? Look at that. So cute, so fun. Nice, really high quality magnet though, guys. I love it. That is so super fun. Oh my gosh, I love this subscription. Have I said that lately? Oh my gosh, this thing is so cool. Okay, so I was not a pin person or a scarf person until I got the subscription and they sent me some really cool stuff. So we have this Pixar Pier pin that they sent with us. How fun is that? That is really cool. I've got to come up with some really awesome outfits to show you guys how I wear all of this stuff all the time. I mean, because I do wear it. That's me. That's my style. Oh, I forget the little cowgirl's name. I think it's Jessica. How cute. Guys, look at that. That is so darling. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I got this super cute keychain. I can't. That is so incredibly cute. Okay, I can look really quick. To Infinity Beyond necklace, Buzz and Woody earrings. Oh, it's Buzz and Woody earrings. So Buzz was the one with the space foot, and the other one was Woody. That is cool. To Infinity and Beyond bracelet. Then we have Jessie is her name. Jessie keychain. That's what that is. Okay, so let's keep going here. And we have this. I mean, this bag is really full. I mean, this one is $19 a month plus shipping and handling. I don't know if they offer a discount if you pay yearly. I do pay yearly for this subscription. But again, I'm not really sure if it involves a discount or not. So this is a pop socket, is it not? Pretty sure that's what it is. It's got a little alien on it. I'm going to look at the card while I'm showing it to you guys. And it says Alien Phone Grip. Yes. That's what that is. So that is really fun. See how it has it on the back there. So that's for your cell phone. Super fun. Loving that. Okay, so then we have some really awesome stickers. I know a lot of people aren't into stickers. I love stickers. I feel that there's so many fun things you can do with them. So we have Woody and somebody else on this sticker. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, is this Buzz Lightyear? And he looks like he's wearing like an apron, like he's a little maid or something. How fun is that? That is cute. Loving that one. And then we also have a Buzz Lightyear sticker. That is incredibly cute as well. This is cute. Mr. Potato Head. Oh, I love it. That is so fun. And then we also have another Buzz Lightyear. And the final one is I think his name is Slinky, the little dog, because he's looking like he's a Slinky, right? How fun is that? Super cute and super fun. Oh my gosh, I can't with this. This is so great. Okay, so it must be from Toy Story 3 because it has a big 3 on there. Oh, I love it. And then the final thing are these Bo Peep socks. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at them, you guys. Totally up my alley. So super cute. So super fun. Wow, I just love, love, love this subscription. They killed it, you guys. 100% worth waiting for. That was so super fun. So let's just make sure I went over everything really quick. Oh yes, Slinky magnets. So the dog is called Slinky. Okay, that is so super fun. Guys, I love it. I love it. Okay, so now we have the situation with the other bag. Is it the same bag? Did they accidentally send me two? And if they did, then that's going to benefit you guys because I'm going to give it away. So let's see if that's exactly what happened. They may have accidentally sent me two bags, and I will gladly pay them for the additional bag so I can reach out to them and let them know the mistake that they made. And if they want me to pay for it, I absolutely will. And that's exactly what they did. It's the same bag. So I'm not going to open this one. You guys just saw everything that you get in this bag, but I am going to give it away. So, impromptu giveaway here. I'm not ready for it at all, you guys. So, let's go over a few of the quick basic rules. First and foremost, YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I'm using this item that I got, that I purchased one, and then one I got bonus. I don't know how you want to say that, but nonetheless, it's from me. Okay. Number 2, you must be subscribed to my channel, publicly subscribed to my channel. I need to see that you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you will not be able to win. Number 3, you must live in the United States or have a United States postal address, and you have to be 18 years or older to participate. I will have a full set of rules in my description box below. Please make sure that you check that out prior to entering this giveaway. All right, guys, so we need a keyword. What can the keyword be? I don't want to make it too obvious. Where's the little card? Let me check the little card again to find Slinky. There you go. Use the word Slinky in your comment below, and that will let me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. Now, I'm not really sure when this giveaway is going to run because I'm not really sure when this video is going up. I'm just filming a whole bunch of videos all in one day just to knock it out. So I'm going to pause right here, let myself pop in, and tell you that information. Okay, guys, so this giveaway is going to run from today, July 12th, all the way through July 23rd, and the winner will be announced the week of July 24th. So good luck, everybody, and let's jump into whatever I was going to say next. Okay, guys, so there was another super awesome, super fun, amazing bag from this company. I'm telling you, they nail it every single time. I don't care what their theme is. I want it every single time, even if I don't know anything about it. I got this really cool Lord of the Rings theme one. I loved everything in that bag, and I've never seen the Lord of the Rings. I'm just saying. This company kills it every single time. I highly encourage that you subscribe to this bag if you like this kind of super fun, cool stuff. And, you know, unfortunately, they did get backed up in their supply chain, but you know what? They're trying to make it up right, make it right now. And I do got to give them a hats off because they did not take out my yearly subscription at the beginning of the year when it normally comes out because they didn't have everything together and they knew they wouldn't be able to fulfill the bags. Now, there's some companies that shall remain nameless, but you guys know who they are. They take your money and just never send you anything at all. So you have to make sure you cancel the subscription because they keep charging you because they just keep taking your money, but they send you no product. That is not this company. They are definitely honest and they definitely are doing the best that they can, which is why they will always have me as a subscriber as long as they have their bag. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! So they had that issue, and what they ended up doing was sending out everybody, okay, wait, I said that wrong. Do I have them both in the wrong ear? Like, should it go in the other ear to work? Oh, shit. I did not notice that until now. Yeah. I still don't think it's showing though. Oh, I'm recording. Okay. Okay, guys, so that was another super awesome, super fun bag. I'm telling you, this company nails it every single time. Now, they're, okay.